US 30 and US 100, specifically US 30, if you talk about it, has shown lot much of resilience and traded bullish. See, 33 to 50, I told you below which only you can sell, and precisely it has bounced back from the same levels, and in fact the highs here it is seen is close to 33 400 levels, 420 levels. At the same time, US 100 so far failed to break below 13080 levels and now trading just below those levels. So now what to expect are, can we expect them to turn bearish and trade bearish from here and you should stay short, or are they going to bounce back? Which position you should take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update for the day, so do press the bell icon. Let's start. First, we'll look into Tech 100, followed with US 30. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Trade as per the levels here. Now, look at the hourly charts for US 100. See, first there is a gap, then drop, retracement, and again this is the second red candle. Certainly, it is willing to trade in this bearish channel. Bearish channel support here at 13040 and 13020. Very good support exists till 13020, and if it breaks past 13020, you can expect for it to directly land at 12950, which is the next stronger support for the day. Now if you look at the stochastic has dropped, the MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI is trying to look downwards and trade bearish. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, if you look, see, so far it had the resistance support here at 13080. It respected the support levels and now trying to breach past it. Possibly it may try to find support here at 13020, 13,000 and then 12950 levels. If it continues its downward journey, then and then only. Right now it is in bearish channel and also it is trying to form symmetry. Possibly it can try to come at least till 13,000 levels. That is my expectation. The stochastic is at bottom looking down. The MACD, however, is divergent bearish looking down. It can continue with this downward momentum. See, this bearishness is happening at a slightly higher levels, but it does not mean that it can not sustain this level. It can again cross over. RSI is also looking down here, trying to trade bearish. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see this, after staying, you can say, retracement, and then this is the second bearish candle here in succession. Increasing body size, increasing downward pressure. A reversal confirmation is only and only if it trades above 13120 levels. Till the time it stays below 13120, rather I will say 13130, that is the level above which you can buy. Expect 13150, and beyond that it is going to fill the gap here. So till that time you have to be cautious and watchful there. Right now it is trying to break 13080. It is already done. We are going to look at 13050 and 13020 levels. The stochastic has certainly dropped, but look at MACD. This is just crossed over. This is starting to diverge. This is starting to look downwards. And this is happening after a strong bullish momentum here, and hence this bearish momentum can also stay for a while. The RSI looking down, trying to indicate slight bearishness. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see, it traded with a divergence from the 20 period moving average. Now looking forward to converge to the 20 period moving average, which means 13,000 levels till 950 levels are going to be the good support here. Now see, it tried to retrace a bit, but this is a breakout and hence this may continue till it stays below 13130, 150. I will not recommend you to buy Nasdaq 100 today. The stochastic is looking down. The MACD trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI is also looking down, trying to trade slightly bearish. And if you look at the daily chart, now see, on the daily charts it has created a step. Yes, if it breaks past 13150, that is the level beyond which you can expect we are going to look at 13200 and plus levels. Right now it is trying to look downwards. It can stretch the drop till towards 13,000 and 12950. See, till 12800 levels the reversal chances will exist and it can continue its upward journey even dropping till there, and hence till those levels we have to put a trailing stop loss and keep booking. Below 13,000, 12950 is the first target, and then below that we may see it hitting 12850 and 800 levels, which is the next and strongest support, and hence you have to take your trades accordingly. On the upside you can buy at 13130, but then expect 13150 levels to be breached first. Beyond that, rather I will say wait for 13150 to be breached, then only buy, and then expect 13200, and then sky is the limit on the upside. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 10th of April. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now see, US 30, it has created the support, it has created the base here at 33,250, and since then it has given higher highs. Now 33,250 indeed is a very good support, multiple candles getting the support at these levels, and hence first it has to breach past these levels in order to confirm the bearishness. At the same time, on the upside, the pivot levels at 33,410, 420 is a good resistance level, and hence if it breaks out on the upside, you can stay with the long entries. Right now it is giving a red candle, and it can try to give further red candles, taking it for 33,300, 250 levels. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD has started to diverge, it started to look downwards, and this is happening at a slightly higher levels, and hence it can stretch the drop. RSI is overbought, and that is why we are looking at little downward move here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts likewise, see, this is the, see, first base here retracement, and this is the first red candle. Even if it tries to continue, it can possibly give you higher lows or flat bottom, so we have to be watchful there. See the previous move, you continue the look at the delta here, 33 350, 33 250, and here it is almost 60 points. So 250 levels, 300 levels, certainly going to be a good support. Stochastic overbought, MACD trying to converge, and this is happening at a slightly higher levels, and hence it can continue with the drop. RSI is also overbought, and hence possibly a slight retracement on the downside cannot be denied. Now look at the 3-hour chart. The 20 period moving average is also sitting here at 33,320 levels, and then the support levels at 33,250. So these two levels certainly something you should watch out for. Only if it breaks below 33,250, you can expect further bearishness there. So I will wait for it to break past 33,250, and then you can expect 33,100 and below levels. The stochastic is certainly overbought. The MACD is bullish. RSI is overbought. Everything is overbought here, and possibility of it to retrace exists. But look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see first of all, previous three candles here, the good bottom. Now these three candles had a long tail there, and we can see good bullish body. So anyways, if it stays above 33,420, we have to stay long. There is no other option, and it is going to fly past 33,500 this time. So above 33,420, yes, we may get 33,500, almost 80 points you are going to get there. See the distance there, almost 50 points, so the next candle could be further bigger. At the same time, if it breaks below this zone, and you can say specifically 33 to 50, then only bearishness is confirmed. Stochastic is overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is overbought, everything is overbought here, but it does not mean that it cannot stretch this overbought levels. It can certainly. Now look at the daily charts. See on the daily charts, it has got a flat bottom, and it has tried to see the you can say weak opening candle had a very slightly bullish body, and this time it has breached this. It has tried to stay bullish here. So see, only bearish confirmation, as I said, below 33,250 levels, below which further bearishness may prevail, and also it can give you good swings, and hence we have to remain cautious. The stochastic is certainly overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is flat here. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 33,350, and rather 33,350 is a good sell, but then 33,320, 300 is a very good support, and then 33,250. Stay short if you see it trading below 33,250. It is going to break far. It is going to tilt towards 33,100 and 32,900 levels. If not today, possibly in this week, some point of time, it can try to retrace till there. So see, the previous candle was a big bullish candle, and the next movement of this can be within engulfed within these candles, and hence little drop cannot be denied below 33,250 levels. Now on the upside, as I said, 33,420 you can buy there, expect 33,500, and beyond that, sky is the limit for 33,545 and 33,600 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.